It is 14th of November and today I am really tired. But actually today we are going to Malta.
Tell me how I'm supposed to feel now. 60 over the limit just cause I can. They say you know you gotta slow down. There's no coming back. So young and restless, I'm a cliche, yeah. But it's easier said than done. And I can't keep waiting here, I'm just aging, so I'm gone.
Okay, so after many hours of flights and driving around, we're finally here and we're gonna see what our hotel is looking like.
Say I'm never coming home, but I'm drawing the line and say whatever you like, but I'm leaving. I'm letting go of all I've ever known. Falling in and falling out fast.
Okay, so we just came from the pool and Jürgen thought it would be a good idea to swim underwater, but the pool was salty, so the results are not that good. How are you feeling?
I feel so bad.
So I'm gone, such a shame, but baby I'll leave it. Before tomorrow comes, I don't believe it. Saying I'm never coming home, but I'm drawing the line and say whatever you like, but I'm leaving. I'm letting go of all I've ever known. 'Cause I'm go our way. If I'm gonna have to guess what's on your mind,